Hello everybody, welcome again to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Thank you for taking your time to check out this video. Today what we're going to be doing is cutting down our perennials. So I keep my perennials until the spring, so throughout the winter the birds have some things to munch on if they can get to the seeds, such as my wildflower bed behind me. I got the zinnias over there and sunflowers and things like that. I keep those going and keep them up throughout the winter so that they have another food source. Whether you want to cut them in the fall so you don't have the mess throughout the winter so it looks a little bit cleaner, that's up to you, but I prefer to cut them in the spring so the birds have some food. So this is really easy to do. It's kind of common sense. All you're gonna do is, either if you got a scissors, knives, blades, whatever you got, you're gonna go almost right to the bottom and just chop off these. All right, showing you guys then at a closer look. I'm gonna take these scissors here, basically go right at ground level and chop those off here. So what you're left with then is just these little short pieces of stalk left, and this will allow for room for your new ones to grow up. As you can see, they're already starting to come up here a little bit. So that's all there is to it. Just cut it at about ground level, almost as far down as you can go. So these are Sedum Autumn Joys. These are all just getting chopped right off. And that way the new growth will come right up. And then we'll go over to our bed here and show you what we're gonna do with the zinnias as well. Here's an example of my perennial flower garden as a before picture. And then this is what you'll be left with afterwards. Nice, clean, chopped down bed, ready for spring growth. Again, I prefer to do it this way to make sure that the birds have some extra seed to eat on throughout the winter. Ripley Sartain with Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Take care.